in everything that you do, even if things are not going well. Persistence is very powerful, guys, that even if you don't get it exactly, you still have to take an educated decision. And every day we are literally receiving hundreds of either email, combination of email and messages and comments in our Facebook page. And one of the common thing that I'm receiving from people is, Sir John, I really would like to start an online business, pero wala po akong alam dyan. In my mind is, that is why you will getting an education, because I just don't get it why they would like to succeed on a certain thing without hoping na wala mo ng education. The reason I'm showing you guys this is for you to appreciate that that you are getting a valuable education. Number one, from our community. Number two, of course, from my years of experience and failures and mistakes, and of course, successes. And katulad nga lagi ko sinasabi for many people that, look, you can Google if you want. You can go YouTube if you want, right? You can search for information, but you cannot Google wisdom. You cannot search it online. Like, there has to be a mentor who has seen a lot of things. There has to be someone who's been there and done that. Because of that, that will save you a lot of time, the learning curve, a lot of money from buying books, another seminar in here, another tools in here, another software in here. One of the things na common na nire-raise up sa aming Facebook community, sa ating Facebook community, is, Sir John, should I use this tool? I said, you don't need to use those tools. You don't need to use those software unless we mention it, unless we told you to do so. This will save you thousands and thousands of dollars. And the reason, again, I'm sharing you guys this is for you to appreciate that by having education, you are actually ahead of the population. You're going ahead of the population. Now, of course, it won't end in education. You have to follow it up with action. A long time ago, I don't know kung meron nakaabot sa inyo, there's a popular weatherman sa television, si Ernie Baron, and sabi niya, knowledge is power. Well, unfortunately, we have so many knowledge right now. Well, actually, not knowledge, but more information. When you say knowledge is power, meaning when you really understand what is going on. Kaya nga, I also encourage you guys that when you attend live training like this, or a seminar, or you watch a YouTube video, make sure that you are fully engaged. Otherwise, you are wasting your time. I'm telling you that right now. If there's a television on, or there's chatting with someone, or you're talking with someone, maybe nasa gitna ka ng pag-grocery, I'm telling you right now, it is hard to engage our brain, our mind, on two things. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.